Konnichiwa, this is Liam, in for Bear. Brutalist can now draw every figure a book needs, in the matte-Claude style, overnight, and prove each one against trusted public sources. Show me. The book gets a complete figure library. 303 objects in the matte-Claude style: molecules, cells, organelles, receptors, drugs, nanoparticles, viral particles, generated as clean PNG figures overnight. Every concept the text names, given a canonical visual. For every object, Brutalist fires 5 public APIs and pulls reference images: protein structures from SOURCES.md, cell micrographs from Openverse, tissue images from NIH OpenEye, small molecules from PubChem, anatomy diagrams from Wikimedia. 792 reference images across 303 objects. The pipeline builds a dashboard, your generated figure, beside every reference it found. Here's the thing: a convincing figure is not a correct figure. The pipeline can produce something that looks right, so we don't trust the render. We compare it side by side against figures from sources we know. And when a reference image carries an unknown license, an NIH diagram, a university histology slide, we never reuse it. We compare against it. Our figure ships clean. Theirs is the reference standard. Worked example: the mast cell. Here's the contact sheet, the generated figure on the left, 5 Openverse references on the right, an NIH micrograph, 2 pathology slides, a histochemistry stain, a hand-drawn teaching note. All 5 are copyright unknown. We retrieved them, attributed them, and they go no further. What the comparison shows: the generated cytoplasm is packed with granules, the organelles that make mast cells recognizable. The nucleus is round to oval, eccentric. The references match. The hand-drawn diagram confirms the cell type. The generated figure is anatomically correct, and it's the one that ships. Coverage: 303 objects processed. 792 references from 6 sources. RCSB-PDB leads at 133, down to NASA at 1. 76% publishable, 601 images under public domain, CC0 or CC BY. And 8 objects have no public references at all: proprietary antibody biologics, abstract nanostructures, composite 2-protein concepts. Generated only. No comparison possible, we say so. The verdict: Brutalist can generate a book's complete figure library overnight. It proves each one against public sources. 76% publishable on first pass. 8 objects have no public reference, generated only, honest about it. The comparison never becomes the asset. The pipeline is self-auditing. Your turn: point Brutalist at your own book. Figures overnight, evidence report for each. The pipeline tells you what it found, what it proved, and where the gaps are.